I had a vision when I first heard Reverend Ken speak. I thought he spoke like a Baptist New Thought minister. He was speaking the truth, but he did it with a lot of fire. And it was perfect for me because that's the environment that I grew up in. I was baptized in New Harmony Baptist Church, Detroit, Michigan. 19 blah, blah, blah. So what I did was I took this old spiritual song, well, not an old spiritual song, I think it was written like in the 60s or something like that, but I took this song and changed the lyrics so that it would fit more of what we believe. If you remember this song, feel free to sing along with me. It goes like this. Oh, happy day. Oh, happy day. You remember that song? Oh, happy day. Oh, yeah. Oh, happy day. Oh, happy day. Oh, happy day. When spirit washed. Oh, when spirit washed. When spirit washed all my fears away. Oh, happy day. You know what would help if you clap your hands like this? Just like that, Yeah. Yeah, right. Oh, happy day. Happy day. Oh, happy day. Happy day. When spirit washed. When spirit washed. When spirit washed all my fears away.
Keep your heart and mind and open, and Spirit will awe you with how much you're loved and valued. Spirit will awe you. Our job is to get the best idea for ourselves, for each other, for our community and the world, to believe in it, to look for it, to acknowledge it when we see it showing up, and to give gratitude for it. Dr. Holmes, our founder, he says, you want to have a vision, something that you can work towards, you can believe in, you can give energy, something you can have faith in. He said, we don't hope. People of our teaching, we don't hope, we allow. We don't wish, we accept. We don't plead, we announce. We don't dream, we declare. And we don't expect, we know. We know. God does not need us to plead our good. God needs us to see and accept our good.